Hello, my name is Don Martin, and I'm here on behalf of thereasonablerealtor.com. It's a website, it's a blog, it's many things to many people. I'm here today basically to ask you to tag along with me, and let's go to thereasonablerealtor.com and look at today's article. Today's article is dealing with the guys that have the for sale by owner maps that include the whole country, every state in the country. You're going to pick out your state and decide they're going to help you with your state. You don't realize that they are not going to help you with your state. So this is an interesting article. This will give you some of what goes on behind the curtain when you decide to put your house in the MLS without using a traditional real estate agent to list your property. It's a good article. I think that you will enjoy it. Take you a couple of minutes to read, not too lengthy, not too terrible. If you get a chance, please do subscribe to this little square right down here subscribes to my YouTube channel. I'd love for you to like this YouTube. I'd love for you to subscribe to The Reasonable Realtor and like it and comment on it. The more you interact with me, the better it is for me, quite simply. So that's all I've got for today. If you get a chance, run over to thereasonablerealtor.com and look at the great big for sale by owner map. These are some of the things that those guys don't want you to know. Thanks for your time. See you later.